Why did my brother just join?
It's your brother's surgery, bro.
Yeah, we're leaving already. I'm so sorry. We didn't know.
He's part of our team now. It's too late.
He's probably like, bro, where are you? This might be a
Put
YouTube.
out some fireworks.
Yes! Set them off!
Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boy. Are you okay?
No!
Dude, do you just see that thing floating? Oh wait, that's the chest in the background. It's all the way back there.
Look at our freaking house!
Dude, I don't know. Basically,
freaking house. I swear we don't live. If we die, I'll be very mad.
I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna do other things too.
Beautiful, beautiful house.
Dude, this is the ugliest thing. This is what Elsa's house looks like if it was made out of stuff that wasn't snow. Elsa's house isn't even made out of snow. I don't know why I said it.
Like wood?
Like what? Like what? Well, I wonder what it looks like on the inside. Do you see us on the inside?
Let me see.
Just T minus 10.
I can barely, but we look like we're questioning our sanity.
As we should.
You look like what I think is what is your flag?
Brazilian.
Brazilian Karen. And
That's what I said before.
And I'm a furry.
You know, the two types of people that should never be near each other. Furries and Karens do not mix, especially gamer furries. Gamer furries and Karens shouldn't ever mix.
Yeah.
Bro, why is there gavels at this theater?
I don't know, it's a judgment day at the theater.
Judgment day at the theater! My brother just came into the room and he was like, can I launch it? We can't launch it for him. Can you launch it on your screen? For him?
Yes, I launched it on.
I didn't realize it was going. They gave me a warning.
Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Close my door. Close my door. Thank you.
Oh gosh, the crocodiles.
Dude, we've barely lost anything. We're doing good.
I mean, yeah. I mean, we've lost a lot, but...
Yeah, but
we still have the chair or deficit yet.
As long as we still have the chair.
As long as we still have the chair. And some fireworks to celebrate.
All of the balloons are gone.
Aww.
They just ate the last balloon that I tried to pop. Or, like, press. What is happening?
No, there are no more fireworks. Today is a sad day. Also, what is this? Why is there mustard and ketchup on freaking donuts? Why are there knives near the donuts? Why are there forks near the donuts? What is this place?
No, they're not even forks, they're toques. Why are some of them two? They're toques!
They don't call forks with 3 prongs freaks. You dummy?
Well, yeah, it's because normal forks have 4. That's why they're called fork.
Yeah, but there are 3-pronged forks. You don't call them freaks.
Yes, I do. You don't know what I do. That moment when your boat looks like
turning
trash.
into ogre.
What are you doing in my science class?
Frick, 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 frick.
Dude, that sounds like a true gamer if I've ever heard one. No, this is the worst one ever.
Look at me. I can't look at the beautiful map because I'm freaking trying to survive.
Where are you? Oh my gosh! I'm
I'm
bald!
at the last freaking chair.
I'm also bald. No! No! You will... Should I reset?
Oh, your brother's there.
Say hi.
You know.
Do I reset? Oh shoot! Ah, I'm dead!
Surgery, bro. Why is his name surgery?
We're
bro?
dead! No! I'm dead.
Nothing much.
Nothing much, just waiting here.